Yeah, so let's open this box. Got this little box here. Go there. And yeah, here it is. The big record button here. It says previews and next stereo. I think these are mics. Yeah, so stereo mics. And let's check this. So we got this manual here, bunch of papers. Let's check what we got here. Some stickers. Yeah, actioncam stickers. It's really cool. And USB cable. This is the, I don't know, yeah, it's for like mounting some of its accessories. And here's the battery, Sony battery. And last, yeah, I think it's also for mounting it. So it comes with this battery, yeah. Let's try to open one. Not sure what it is for. Yeah, this one's definitely for mounting. Okay, so that's it. That's all we got here. Yeah, this is the Sony HDR AS-100V.